Hey, it's Dante Stoner here. I'm going to be doing an updated video of my entire fire alarm collection. We'll start off at the top. We have a Cerberus Pyrotronics MTL S17F multi-tone horn strobe. Really nice alarm bubble magnifier. Next we have a Wheelock MT424 LSM. It was originally, this was a used alarm pulled off of billing for replacement. Next up, we have an Edwards Genesis G4LF G4LFWN HVM Genesis ADT G1R HOV75 first generation Genesis. An Edwards Genesis EG1 HD Genesis horn only Firelight BG12. You got two Ames Security Corps SP2 LPs with both lift handles moved. We have a system sensor mass when the sounder works, but the strobe is DOA. We got some household detectors. These two are the same thing, and this one's a Cadet model P3010B. We have two first alert smoke detectors, SA300, and another SA300 household smoke detector, which I'm planning on putting if I get a fire alarm system, so I plan on learning how to hook it up. But yeah. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. You're not obligated to like my content, so you can rate it however you like it. Thanks for watching.